Like, start being a little bit more honest with yourself and what you're capable of. Like, we all have that looming, what do we call it? Doubt, I guess. There's that
Imposter
we
syndrome.
don't believe imposter syndrome. There you go. Thank you. We all have that imposter syndrome as artists, like, and some worse than others. But being realistic, and like I really mean being realistic about what you're capable of, especially when I said before, other people see it as magic. Um, like that is the truth, and that's not something ridiculous to understand. You can use a different industry to, like, you go as a plumber, like, I would not dare touch the taps under my sink, and I look at the plumber come in and be like, "I'm, like, stressed out, this water's clogged up, like, who knows, I've probably done something disastrous, it's gonna cost a bajillion dollars," and they come in for, like, 20 minutes, and they go, "Yeah, it's fixed, it's all done." And you're like, "How did he do that? How? That's amazing." But,
Or
like,
even just a
that's
cell
the
phone.
same.
How do cell phones work?
Yeah.
They're magic.
Yeah, exactly. But if you break it down and you're the expert in that field, you understand either a part of it or much more than the user. And taking that knowledge, you don't have to explain it to the customer. Like, that's, keep that magic to yourself in some respect. You can explain some parts, but that's not a part of it. Or at least explain the parts that you think are beneficial to the customer. So the first step is, once you're realistic about what you can accomplish with your own set of skills, then you need to be honest about it and forthright about it. Because if you speak from clear honesty, if you don't know how to do sales pitches, uh, once you're coming across honestly, that is a sales pitch in itself. That is probably the most effective sales pitch that you can ever have, is being like, I can do this. And if you're saying, I can do this because you know you can do it, the person on the other end, if they have doubts, they're instantly going to be, squashed somewhat, whether or not that's their ability, kind of, but they're going to be calmed by the fact that you've just spoken completely honestly. And that is the best starting ground, because one, they already believe you because they've seen your art. So there's no point backtracking and giving them doubt. So start with the ground that, like, you almost have no doubt in your ability to perform what they're asking. If they've come to you, they've seen your stuff, they know you're capable. Cool. I know that. Let's put that on the checklist. Let's go. Oh, am I able to do this in time? That's different. Am I able to do this in the required time or the required ability? Like, does this person actually know what they're asking for with ridiculous requests? Blah, blah, blah. That's not a part of your sales pitch yet. Your first thing is like, yep, I'm capable. And that's how you talk. Like, that's how you address them. And addressing that with positivity as well affirms that. And I think also another one, like really early on in the sales kind of world, you learn this kind of neat trick on, and it goes like hand in hand, is getting people to say yes, like 3 times is the magic number that they say. Getting people to just agree and not, like, avoid the disagreement is really good. It affirms that you're on the same page. It affirms that you know what you're talking about. It becomes a positive communication. You can have no's in there and disagreement, and that's fine. How you handle those is a bit different. But yeah, just having people say yes lots. Like, ask, say things to be like, so, like, just parrot back to them. So you need this done by mid-December because it's for Christmas. Yes. Awesome. Oh, okay, so you see them, I want this portrait of my pet. Cool, your dog is called this, right? Yes. What's such a cute dog, hey? Yes. Like,
It's a
that
corgi.
kind of conversation.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, even simple things.
Thanks for listening to this clip. You can see the full interview by clicking the link in the description, or you can click the thumbnail on the bottom left of this video. And don't forget to hit subscribe. Have a great day.